Hi, you guys. Sorry I'm not able to be at school today, but I am going to show you how to do how to solve for your angles. And we're going to solve for the missing angles today. Sorry, they're having a bunch of things to show up on this one. So first of all, go ahead and fold your paper in half, and I believe it is the yellow paper for today. And what we're going to do is, again, label the angles. Always our first thing. Remember, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. And sine is always going to be your opposite over your hypotenuse. Adjacent, if you guys remember this, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. This time it's going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. And then try to move it up. Okay, tangent, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Tangent is going to be opposite over adjacent. Sorry about that. As you can tell, I am at school. I'm making this on Friday before you guys left. All right, so our first one we're going to be working on. Very first thing, we're going to set it up just like we did last week, where you're going to label your sides. Opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. Cross off the side that doesn't have a number. And again, we have O and H. So O and H we know is going to be sine. So we're going to go sine. We don't know the angle, so it's x equals your opposite over your hypotenuse. Now, we want to get x by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by its inverse, sine to the -1. It gets rid of the sign, and so all we have is x left. And so we get x equals sine -1, 17 over 47. And what I'd like you to do right now is take out your calculator. And to get the sine -1, you're going to push the second key, which is in the top left-hand side. It's that colored one on the very top, second. And then you're going to hit sine. So second, sine. And then just go 17, divided by 47, enter. And you're going to get x equals 21.20. But since we're talking about degrees, we want degrees as our nearest whole number. So instead of having a decimal, we want to round it to the nearest whole number. So think about it to the nearest dollar. So is 21.20 cents, $21.20, is that closer to $21 or $22? And it is closer to $21. So x is equal to 21. All right, let's just go below. Keep going. So again, label and cross off the wrong side. The side that it's missing its number. So we have A and H, so that it is cosine. We don't know the angle, is adjacent over hypotenuse. And we're going to try to get rid of the cosine. So we're going to go the cosine -1 on both sides. X equals cosine -1, 51 over 54. And again, you're going to go second cosine, number second button, top left, 51 divided by 54. Exactly as you see it, you're going to write it. So we get 19.18. Whoops, too many numbers. And this one, if we round it, is just going to be 19 degrees. And that little circle just means degrees. All right. Next one again. Opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. This time, hypotenuse is gone. So we're going to use tan. So tangent x equals your opposite over your adjacent. we want to do the inverse to get x by itself. So x equals tan negative 1, 19 over 42. Okay, so second tan, 19 divided by 42, we get 24.34, which is going to be 24 degrees. Sometimes we round, sometimes we don't. And then let's go on to the right side. And I want you guys to try these. So hopefully the sub can go ahead and pause the video and give you about 4 or 5 minutes to solve the next 3 problems. And then I will go over those. Good luck. So opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. And then plug it into the calculator. And you're going to get exactly 30 degrees. Label, cross off. Plug it in, second cosine, 27 divided by 32, and you're going to get 32.46, and this one's just going to stay 32 degrees. Wow, all of these are not rounding up, which is a little strange. Label. Opposite over your adjacent. Tan to the negative 1. If you get really good at this, then you don't have to mark tan negative 1 on both sides, but I find it helps, and writing it just helps you remember what you need to do for both sides, or if you don't, then you're going to forget. And this one again stays at 36 degrees. All right, so for your assignment today, you are going to do a maze. Start where it says start, and you're going to keep going around. You have to show your work to earn credit. If there is no work, you do not get credit on the assignment. I will be back on Wednesday, so if you have any questions, you can either email me or just wait until Wednesday and I will be back. So I hope you have a good afternoon, and please be good for the sub. And I will see you guys later. Bye.